one military aircraft became so reliable that entire wars, humanitarian missions, and global military operations depended on it for more than half a century. Not a stealth bomber, not a supersonic fighter jet, but a cargo aircraft. The C-130 Hercules may not look as aggressive as modern combat aircraft, yet its hidden power changed military aviation forever. And even after the arrival of the gigantic C-17 Globemaster, the Hercules still refuses to disappear. Why? What makes the C-130 so special that dozens of countries continue operating it across some of the world's most dangerous environments? Because behind its rugged appearance hides one of the greatest airlift secrets in aviation history. Military logistics decide the outcome of wars. Fighters may dominate headlines, but transport aircraft keep armies alive. Fuel, troops, vehicles, medical evacuation, humanitarian aid. Without airlift capability, modern military operations collapse rapidly. That's where the C-130 Hercules became legendary. First introduced during the Cold War era, the Hercules developed a reputation for toughness, versatility, and operational reliability unmatched by many aircraft before or after it. The C-17 Globemaster entered military aviation as a new generation strategic airlifter, larger, more advanced, capable of transporting massive military equipment including tanks, helicopters, and oversized cargo over intercontinental distances. Compared to the Hercules, the C-17 looked almost unstoppable. But despite its enormous power, the Hercules survived. Not only survived, it remained essential, because raw size alone doesn't define battlefield effectiveness. So, what is special about the C-130 Hercules? Its versatility. The aircraft can operate from rough airstrips, damaged runways, short landing zones, and remote environments where larger aircraft struggle to function safely. This transformed the Hercules into far more than a cargo aircraft. It became a tactical lifeline, special forces operations, humanitarian rescue missions, medical evacuation, paratrooper deployment, disaster response. The C-17 Globemaster represents modern strategic airlift power. Massive, advanced, long-range, heavy-duty. But the C-130 Hercules represents something even more valuable. Survival, adaptability, reliability. The aircraft became trusted not because it was the newest, but because it consistently performed missions others could not. And in military aviation, that kind of trust becomes legendary. The C-130 Hercules wasn't built to look glamorous. It was built to survive impossible missions, to deliver hope into disasters, to support troops in dangerous war zones, and to fly where other aircraft simply cannot. That's why the Hercules became one of the greatest airlift aircraft ever created. And if you want more hidden truths about military aviation, legendary aircraft, secret combat technology, and Cold War aerospace history, subscribe now. Because the next story may reveal the classified transport aircraft designed for missions too dangerous to publicly discuss.